breaking news coming in on the Mahayuti as a rift is evident. This is ahead of the Mumbai civic polls where Mahayuti ally Ramdas Athavale's RPI is all set to fight on 38 seats. Union Mantri's RPI, that is in a friendly fight against the BJP Shiv Sena. Athavale has accused the BJP of quote-unquote betrayal of trust, saying that we will back the Mahayuti wherever RPI is not fighting, but where they are fighting, it is an all-out fight. RPI is now going to fight on 38 seats. Ramdas Athavale is set to contest on these seats in the BSP elections, and it will be a friendly fight, is what Ramdas Athavale has said after yesterday. BJP Shiv Sena announced seats for the BMC elections. Wherever RPI is not contesting, it will support the Mahayuti, is what Ramdas Athavale has said. Listen in.
आपने देखा है कि रिपब्लिकन पार्टी के 12 कारपोरेट एक बार चुनकर आई थी, एक बार 5 कारपोरेट चुनकर आई थी, लेकिन हमारी तरफ बीजेपी ने अनदेखी की है। एक तो रिपब्लिकन पार्टी बीजेपी का 2012 से मित्र है और युति की महायुति करने में रिपब्लिकन पार्टी का योगदान रहा है भीम शक्ति शिव शक्ति के माध्यम से। तो मुझे लगता है कि जो चर्चा चलती रही उसमें एक बार भी हमको नहीं बुलाया था आरपीआई को।
And cutting across to Mustafa Sheikh to get us further details on why the Mahayuti could not come to a consensus where it comes to the RPI. What exactly was the RPI deciding? And now that they have said that they will indulge in this friendly fight, any response from the BJP and Eknath Shinde faction?
Well, both the factions are saying that they will try and bring the RPI and Ramdas Athavale back to their alliance. But as of now, what Ramdas Athavale has said, that 38 seats is where they will be contesting. And one of the issues where Ramdas Athavale is under pressure is because another Ambedkarite party, which is the Vanchit Bahujan Aghadi, has been given 62 seats in alliance with the Congress. So Ramdas Athavale and RPI had to fight for their presence, and there was so much competition between the Shiv Sena and the BJP in seat sharing that RPI was completely ignored, and hence they have decided to contest on 36 seats, and they are saying that wherever they are not contesting, they will support the BJP and the Shiv Sena. So we'll have to wait and see whether this alliance remains this way or Ramdas Athavale is convinced to take back his candidate and support Mahayuti once again. Back to you.
All right, Mustafa, many thanks for getting us the latest. Let's once again listen into what Ramdas Athavale has said on this matter.
आपने देखा है कि रिपब्लिकन पार्टी के 12 कारपोरेट एक बार चुनकर आई थी, एक बार 5 कारपोरेट चुनकर आई थी, लेकिन हमारी तरफ बीजेपी ने अनदेखी की है। एक तो रिपब्लिकन पार्टी बीजेपी का 2012 से मित्र है और युति की महायुति करने में रिपब्लिकन पार्टी का योगदान रहा है भीम शक्ति शिव शक्ति के माध्यम से। तो मुझे लगता है कि जो चर्चा चलती रही उसमें एक बार भी हमको नहीं बुलाया था आरपीआई को।